If you can see this, it is a balmy 48.2 degrees out. That's, well, that's pretty rough. That's a pretty cold ride on a bike. You can see over there the sun's trying to push its way out. It's gonna be a nice day, but for now, yeah, it's gonna be cold. I'm scared. Cold. Cold. Oh, sweet. And still cold. Here we are on a somewhat chilly Saturday morning. When we left the house, it was right around 48 degrees. But we said screw that. We love being cold. So we are headed up to Owl's Head Transportation Museum today because they are having their annual vintage motorcycle meet. Speaking of motorcycles, you can win that one right there. That one's been there for a long time. I don't understand how you win it. It's just been sitting there. When does the winner actually get picked? In any case, we are coasting through beautiful Freeport, Maine right now. Everybody's turning apparently. Yeah, that's Ella Bean right there. The big Ella Bean campus. The original. The best. Oh yeah. Julie's got some Ella Bean winter gloves on right now because it is that cold. She also wants us to know that all of her underwear is also Ella Bean. Oh, under layers. I'm sorry. That was a misunderstanding. Quick breakfast stop in Brunswick. Alright, so correction. Quick breakfast stop in Topsom. Cool little bridge next to a cool dam. Alright, gonna go get some food, gonna warm up a bit. And here's where we're eating today. It's blueberries in Brunswick? No, Topsom. Alright, Julie, tell us what you got.
I got a veggie hash, the eggs, and then like all these potatoes and sweet potatoes and spinach and stuff. What'd you get, Travi?
I got the Greek Freak breakfast wrap with a side of home fries.
Oh my god, that looks really good. Nice.
Don't run into me. And time to hit the road again. I see a biplane. You must be at Owl's Head because I see a biplane. Yep, here we go. Look at this. We are at Owl's Head Transportation Museum. So, welcome to Owl's Head Transportation Museum. Place is absolutely huge. So many bikes, and I can't quite figure out what this truck's doing. He's got his backup lights on. He's kind of headed straight at us. Alright, we got around the truck, and we're on the hunt for some parking. It's kind of a wild west, free-for-all situation around here. Kind of got to make your own parking spot. This kind of looks good. Next to all these manuals and fellow Honda. And here we go, all safely and successfully parked. Check out all of the bikes. We are just one of several hundred. There's bikes in all directions. And here's today's schedule if anybody's interested. I'm not. I'm just here to see bikes. And let's go check out some bikes. This isn't really a motorcycle. It's more like a old school trike. Yeah. dinner. Julie and I are on the hunt for some lunch.
Saddle box. One of them was reading is sexy. Oh, sweet.
What? What, dude? That's awesome. Wait, I'm sort of cutting you off. I want to go ride one of those things. Alright, we've been here for a few hours. There are just way too many bikes to look at. Way too many bikes to comprehend. Not enough time in the day to get to all of them. So we're doing our best. We had to duck out for lunch for a few minutes and some ice cream.
It was very good. There's still the museums collection too. I'm gonna check out the exhibit 10.
Yeah, there's always a museum to check out, which is cool. Yeah, we're gonna keep walking around. We're in the sun. We may pay for that later.
For a passenger, but it was.
Wow, cool.
Really make sure to wave to them because they're coming by and bringing you beautiful. They're going to that coordinator. That's right, a 1946 Whizzer, folks.
Whizzer? Is that what I heard?
A bicycle with an engine on it.
People are starting to leave, but I think we got a couple more hours in us. Sounds like a dry clutch to me. Yeah, there you go. Honda CB 125S, just like we've got at home. Funny to see one of its twins out in the world. We saw this guy earlier, Goldwing with the trailer.
The headlight has a little Cheerio hat on it.
Cheerio, my good man.
I could ride that one.
So now we're in the museum's exhibition tent where they're showing some of their own pieces that they own. So they got all kinds of cars over here, motorcycles behind us, more motorcycles over there, a hot rod, the last one or only one known to exist in Maine that's original. We're gonna go check those out. At the same time, everyone's leaving the show, so we might pack up our things pretty soon and get going ourselves. Yeah, if you want to read any of these signs, just pause the video.
1913.
Excelsior. Another sign, you guys know the drill.
I really want to touch it to try the horn.
Another sign, another HD, and another sign.
That sweet blue Yamaha 200 just left.
Dude, look at that Jeep. Where the hell did that thing come from? That thing is awesome. Alright, the day is coming to an end. Everyone's starting to leave. It was a lot of fun. Let's go take one quick last look at all the bikes. And mass exodus continues. We got sweet muscle car there. Dead ahead we got that hot rod that's the only kind of its kind, original to Maine, something like that. Got a little go-kart thing there. Bye, thank you!
Thank you!
And now we're stuck behind a Model T. Alright, bye Owl's Head! This is their collection.
Yeah, I think it's the exhibit tent kind of thing.
So now we are in the, so now we're in the museum's exhibit. Oh my god.